Welcome everyone back to the channel, and today we have a Jamo Center speaker. Now this is a home cinema 160 series center speaker, and this speaker is designed for those who seek clear, detailed sound in their home theater setups. It is part of the Jamo Studio series and provides balanced dialogues and crisp vocals, enhancing the clarity of movie soundtracks and dialogue. As you can see, the design and build is very tough. It's a compact size, and the speaker is relatively a compact unit, making it ideal for smaller spaces without compromising on sound quality. It is designed to fit comfortably on shelves or entertainment units, and it's a sleek finished product, and it's a very minimalistic design. Blends seamlessly into most modern home setups with a wood grain finish and magnetic fabric grills that enhances visual appeal, although some models may not come with the magnetic grills. Anyway, this is a two-way design. The speaker features a two-way design with dual woofers and a tweeter, and it's optimized for delivering clear mids and highs, crucial for dialogues in a home theater application. The color which I received was brown, but there is this tape on top of it to make it look black, as my most other equipment is black, so it's gonna blend in. The frequency response is typically in the range of 90 Hz to 20 kHz, and that is very good because this is a balanced sound, very important for vocals. And the drivers are 2 into, I think these are 3.5 or 4-inch polyfiber woofers, and this is a 1-inch small soft dome tweeter. It looks like its veins are popping out, but yeah, this is a good design. This ensures a smooth transition from bass to treble. And this speaker has an 8 ohm impedance, which is common for home theater speakers, so it should be compatible with most of the audio video receivers. The sensitivity is around 86 decibels, which is very efficient and works well with a variety of amplifiers, offering solid performance without requiring excessive power. Now, there are two types of options on this, but I would say that it can handle in between 50 to 100 watts of power, which is ideal for a medium-sized room and typical home theater setups. Now, as far as the performance is concerned, this excels in producing clear and accurate dialogue, making it a perfect choice for those looking to enhance their movie watching experience. The dual woofers provide good depth to the mid-range frequencies, while the tweeter delivers crisp highs, ensuring that both speech and high-pitched sounds are detailed and lifelike. Regarding the setup and placement, for best results, the speaker should be placed directly below or above your TV, ideally at ear level. This ensures that the dialogue and center stage sounds are delivered directly towards the listener. As far as compatibility is concerned, it can be paired with other speakers from the Jamo Studio line to create a complete sound surround system. Whether you are using it with a subwoofer front or surround speakers, it integrates seamlessly to offer a well-rounded audio experience. I've taken out the woofer so you can have a detailed look inside. There's not much to be seen over here, not many stickers or telling us details about this. You can see inside is filled with a triangle shaped foam, which is good for the sound. It's built very nice. The wooden structure is quite rigid, and Jamo did a good job building this unit. It's going to last a long time because of the construction. There are no cheap parts inside. The cables are also made by Jamo itself. Overall, I would say that this center speaker is an affordable yet high quality option for home theater enthusiasts. Its combination of sleek design, balanced audio performance, and ease of integration makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance the audio clarity of their home entertainment system. In a summary, it offers a well-balanced sound profile, delivering clear vocal, good mid-range, and decent highs without overwhelming bass, making it ideal for dialogue-heavy content like movies and TV shows. I paired it with the Denon A1SE amplifier and had to turn down the bass because it was a bit too much for my setup. Regardless, this is a good unit. I would prefer, if you're looking something around spending around $100, then this should suit you very well.